Until time expires, you've secured redeployment. The more points you earn, the faster that clock's gonna tick. Get ready. You're redeploying.
Should have been more careful.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemy soldier incoming.
Too easy.
Kill confirmed, and we located the rest of them.
Calling in a bomb drone.
Bomb drone is live and hot. Gas is closing in. No hits on target. We are returning you to the front. Earn this. Enemies dropping into the AO. Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Go get hunting.
That was close.
Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Go get hunting. You're getting another chance. Make it count. We breached the enemy's network. Locate their uplink stations and download their intel before they lock us out.
Our mosquitoes online.
have to hunt down the rest of them. Watch the skies. Kill confirmed. We located the rest of them. Only 25 left. Keep up the good work. You got gas moving in. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Get hunting. We are returning you to the front. Earn this. Target down. Marking the rest of them. We lost that one, but we'll get those sumbitches.